We won the Mitre 10 Helping Hands competition and we're getting a new playground.
It felt like we were winning lotto and I cried.
Hi guys! We've got a great audience here today. The kids are always poking their head over the fence and asking you questions of how big's the new one going to be? Does it have a waterfall? Can I have a pirate ship? Merry-go-round?
Play is very important for children as it develops their cooperation skills, communication skills.
I can hear the kids in the background, they're just fizzing to get in here, so we are absolutely rapt to be handing this over to them.
There's a slide, a walkboard, there's a bridge, there's monkey bars, everything from the new playground at Colwill School.
We have children in our area who don't necessarily have a lot. For anything that's not core curriculum, schools have to fundraise for.
So this project means a huge amount to us. It is something that we couldn't have got by ourselves without Mitre 10 Helping Hands.
Project Playground's really important because being able to do a project of this size just means that it's going to be incredible for the local community.
Now that I can see the kids actually on it for the first time, it's quite amazing. It's just one of the best playgrounds I've seen around for a long time.
Huge big thanks to Project Playground. The kids are going to have an amazing time on it for years to come.